today's video everyone. Today I want to share with you all something about vitamin C. Now we have been hearing vitamin C a lot these days because it is closely linked with our immune system, and it is true that vitamin C does boost our immune system. So what exactly is vitamin C if we have to define it? Now vitamin C is a kind of water soluble vitamin, which means that it is not produced by the body or it is not stored in the body, but definitely used by the body for its different functions. So whenever you have adequate amounts of vitamin C, the body uses it, the body transports it to different tissues and utilizes it for different functions. But it doesn't store or produce vitamin C on its own. Hence, we need to have an adequate amount of vitamin C daily in our diet. Now, talking about the benefits of vitamin C. Vitamin C is definitely good for boosting our immunity. It is good for our teeth. It is good for our bone health. It is also good for a very known benefit these days, which is collagen production. Now, what is collagen? Collagen in simple terms is a kind of protein which is very essential for maintaining our skin structure. It is also important for different tissues like ligaments, muscles, and many more. So if you have a good amount of vitamin C in your diet, you will definitely have a good amount of collagen. So good amount of collagen means it results in a good tone of skin. So collagen is something which actually decreases in very small amounts as you age. Adding good amounts of vitamin C definitely tends to delay this process of losing collagen in small amounts. While there are multiple vitamin C supplement brands available in the market, one of my personal favorite is the RA Vitamin C Complex by Solskin. Ingredients which are present in this supplement: firstly, amla, which is a rich source of vitamin C. Amla is also a powerful antioxidant which helps us to fight infections and diseases. Amla also boosts the collagen production, which makes the skin look youthful and prevents overall cell damage. About grapefruit, grapefruit is also a really good antioxidant. It is rich in fiber content. It controls our metabolism and increases the metabolic rate. Also boosts our immunity. About orange peel extract also improves our digestion. It prevents internal cell damage and it has got really good antioxidant properties. If you are to consume this particular supplement, you can have 1 or 2 tablets per day, that is after a meal, preferably after breakfast. So this was my take on vitamin C and the supplement that I take from Solskin, which is RA Vitamin C Complex. If you did like the content, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Take care.